Good evening, especially sa mga students na ako sa grade 10, Zircon, Emerald, and Sapphire. Ayan. So, ang topic namin kanina is factorial notation. So, factorial notation is a way of presenting the product of a given positive integer down to 1. Meaning to say, ang ginagamitan lang natin ng factorial notation is all positive integers. At ang symbol natin for that is this one, n factorial. So, yung n represent the positive integer. No? So, itong factorial na yan, ibig sabihin yan, we're going to perform multiplication. From the integer itself down to 1. Okay? So, let's have an example para mas ma-appreciate nyo. So, example number 1, we have 3 factorial. So, what's the value of our n? So, ang n natin is our 3. Ayun yung positive integer natin. So, i-express natin yan using the product from the given positive integer down to 1. So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, mag-start tayo sa given positive integer times 2 times 1. Kasi multiplication yung operation na gagamitin natin. Dahil product yung nakalagay sa definition. If we're going to expand 3 factorial, magiging 3 times 2 times 1 siya. Now, so 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. Basta ang pinaka-point natin dito, pag mayroon kayo nakakita ng factorial notation dun sa given positive integer, is imumultiply nyo from the given positive integer down to 1. So, yun lang yung pinaka-point doon. Example number 2, let's say we have 5 factorial. How do we expand this 5 factorial? So, mag-start tayo sa given positive integer, which is 5, times 4, down to 1, times 3, times 2, times 1. And then, if we're going to multiply that all numbers, 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, times 1 is 120. So, the answer of 5 factorial is 120. May mga quizzes or merong mga combination ng equation using this particular factorial notation. Baka kasi may gantong ibigay yung teacher nyo. Para may idea kayo. So, anong gagawin kapag we have 2 factorial plus 4 factorial? So, 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. Plus, kasi nga, addition yung operation, times 4 factorial. Pag in-expand natin yan, that's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is 24. So, 2 plus 24 is 26. So, yun yung answer ng 2 factorial plus 4 factorial. The same lang yan kapag nag-multiply ka ng 2 factorial or nag-divide ka ng 2 factorial. So, ang gagawin mo is i-simplify mo muna yung factorial notation ng bawat numbers before you perform the operation indicating dun sa equation. Okay? So, yun yung ating factorial notation. So, para hindi masayang yung ating learning, meron ako sa inyong ibibigay na short activity para ma-practice nyo yung lesson natin ngayon. Sa mga students ko, i-record ko yung sagot nyo kung tama o hindi. Okay? Number 1, calculate 7 factorial. Number 2, what is bigger? 2 factorial or 0 factorial? Explain. Number 3, 3 factorial times 5 factorial. Ganun pa, last na yun. 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So, ano yung answer? Sa mga students ko, please comment your answer or pwede nyo picturean yung papel nyo. Pakita nyo bukas. So, parang assignment siya. Okay, so until next time, hopefully nakatulong yung video na to. Bye-bye!